We will guide you through how to make AutoCAD run smoother. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open the drawing that you want to optimize, or create a new drawing if needed. Type Graphics Config in the command line and press Enter to open the graphics performance settings. Enable hardware acceleration if your graphics card supports it to improve drawing performance. Under 2D display settings, change the display mode to basic mode for better performance when working with 2D drawings. Under 3D display settings, clear the check from advanced material effects, full shadow display, and per pixel lighting to reduce graphics processing and improve interface responsiveness. Click OK to save the graphics performance settings. Type Clean Screen on in the command line and press Enter to maximize the drawing area by hiding unnecessary interface panels. Close any palettes, toolbars, or windows that are not currently needed. Type Purge in the command line and press Enter to remove unused blocks, layers, line types, and other unnecessary objects. Select Purge All to reduce the drawing file size. Next, type Overkill and press Enter to remove duplicate and overlapping objects. Select all drawing objects, press Enter, accept the default settings, and click OK to complete the cleanup. Type Audit, press Enter, then type Y and press Enter to repair any detected drawing errors automatically. Finally, type Regen in the command line and press Enter to regenerate the drawing and refresh the display. Restart AutoCAD after applying these changes so the new settings can take effect completely and improve the overall drawing performance.